Hello and welcome to the Disability Services online ClockWork Student Accommodations Portal. This tutorial will cover the steps for using ClockWork to renew accommodations and send accommodation letters to faculty. Students can access ClockWork via the link on the Disability Services website. Under Current Students, you will see the ClockWork Student Accommodations Portal. Please have your GRCC username and password ready. Students will not be able to use ClockWork without their username and password. Step 1. Click the accommodation letter icon on the main menu. Step 2. Select accommodations from the list near the top of the page. This will take you to a login screen where you will use your GRCC username and password. This is the same username and password used to log into your GRCC Blackboard account. Once logged in, you will see a list of your classes for the current semester. You may need to use the drop-down menu to update the semester. Step 3. Click the blue Request button. You will then be taken to the Request Accommodations page. This page displays a list of each of your courses as well as your approved accommodations. Step 4. Select your classes. If you are enrolled in multiple classes, you will see a full list of your courses under Courses to Request. Accommodations can be requested for each class individually or for all classes simultaneously. Step 5. Choose your accommodations. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see the Your Accommodations section. This is a complete list of your approved accommodations. You have the option to use all of your approved accommodations by selecting the Check All option. You can also select individual checkboxes if you prefer to choose specific accommodations for specific courses. Step 6. Confirm your accommodations. Choose one of the 3 radio buttons to indicate if your accommodations require any changes. If you are happy with your accommodations, select My accommodations are correct the way they are. If you need to add additional accommodations or change your current accommodations, please provide a brief description detailing your requests in the Optional Note dialog box. Requesting a change to your accommodations will delay the faculty notification process. Your DSS advisor will receive an electronic notification of your request. However, if you are making the request for an upcoming test, exam, or quiz, please call DSS at 616-234-4140 and schedule an appointment to discuss your request with your advisor immediately. Step 7. Submit your request. Review and click the checkbox to agree to the terms listed above. Then click the Submit button. When you submit an accommodation request through ClockWork, your accommodation letter will be delivered to your instructor's ClockWork portal, and the instructor will receive email notification prompting them to log into their ClockWork faculty portal to review your accommodations. Your accommodation letter will also be available for you to review from your ClockWork Student Portal. To download and review your letter, click Get Letter. An electronic copy of the accommodation letter will remain stored in your ClockWork Student Portal. However, you may also print the letter if you prefer a physical copy for your records. This is the end of the tutorial for the accommodation renewal process. If you have any problems or concerns with the ClockWork Student Accommodations Portal, please contact Disability Services at 616-234-4140.